Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some home decor using these Dollar Tree floral picks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and now let's craft. And this is the floral picks I picked up from Dollar Tree, except the lavender because I already had that. Starting with my first project, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood sign. I'm going to paint around 3/4 of the circle using the Waverly Antique Wax. For the other side, I'm using this beautiful craft paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to just cut it to size, then glue it using Mod Podge. For this next part, I did use my Cricut to cut out the word welcome. Now this is a stencil I made, but I do want to show you another option that you can use. For instance, I got these stencils from Hobby Lobby and they were $2.99. Now I did get these I think last year or the year before that, but there are always scaring stencils that you can use. Or you can honestly use the Dollar Tree poster sticker letters for this as well. Since I use acrylic paint, I did have to give this 2 coats. Now I did let this dry for a couple of minutes, then I removed the stencil, and look how pretty this looks. It did bleed a little bit, but I do go back and fix it using a tiny brush. So now I'm going to use the Dollar Tree floral picks. I am going to cut out 2 stems out of this one and 2 of like the peach one. Then I'm going to use some lavender picks that I already had. Like I mentioned, Dollar Tree does carry them. And then I'm going to tie these together in the center. So now I'm going to glue this, but I'm going to glue it more towards one side instead of the center. Then I'm going to use this Dollar Tree burlap ribbon to make a bow and add it in the middle. To decorate and blend out the paper with the other side, I will be adding some jute twine. To finish this off, I added the string back on there for the hanger. And that is it. This completes this beautiful welcome sign. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree wood piece and 2 of these, which actually I'm going to use some that I already had, which I painted using the Waverly Antique Wax. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue these onto the other piece of wood, just like this, using hot glue. I will be adding sides to this, and to do that I did use some popsicle sticks. I used 3 on each side. I did glue them down first and then cut them, but you can do it the other way around. You can cut them first and then glue them. I'm going to sand out like the edges, and then I'm using the Waverly Antique Wax to finish painting this. And look how beautiful the box turned out. So now I'm going to add some floral foam. This is from the Dollar Tree. I cut off 2 pieces and then glued them in there. Alright, so now I'm going to add some of the Dollar Tree floral picks, but I'm going to save 3 of these peach color ones because I want to use them for my next project. And I'm using some of just the regular greenery. I'm going to save like 2 pieces. I am also using another pick that I already had, that it was spring. So then I just added them here and there until it looked full. And look how pretty this planter turned out. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree Valentine sign. Now, Dollar Tree carries signs like this that you can use. So if you can't find the Valentine one no more, you can just use any other one. But it doesn't really matter what it has because I am going to take this apart and remove the image. And this is how it looks after I remove the image. Now, before I move on with the sign, I am going to paint the sides using the Waverly Antique Wax. Moving on, I will be adding another of these beautiful scrapbooking paper. Like I mentioned it earlier, I did pick this up at Hobby Lobby. I will be gluing it using Mod Podge, and as you can see, the paper's not big enough, but that is okay because I will be adding a frame to this. Now I'm going to glue the pieces back on there to make the frame. And look how beautiful this looks. Now you can add whatever you like to this. I'm adding one of these wood planks which I got from this Dollar Tree pack. I'm going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax. Then I will be adding the word risen. This comes from a little pack that I got from Hobby Lobby. It had this one that said risen, forgiven, and I forgot there's another one. I forgot. But this is what I'm going to use. Then I'm going to go ahead and add this to the bottom of my sign. Well, not at the bottom, like more towards the bottom. Using whatever I had saved from my second project, these picks, I am going to just cut the rest and make like a little bouquet. Tie this together using some jute twine and then glue this to my sign. To finish this off, I will be making a bow using some burlap ribbon and adding it there. But that is it. Look how beautiful this sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite because I would love to know. And until next time, bye.